Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I'm trying out a product called Peel-Tek 150. Peel-Tek is a masking fluid, so it protects areas of your project that you want to remain untouched. I tried it out on several craft projects, and I would like to share those with you today. This product is used in the construction industry to protect surfaces during painting and refinishing projects. But since it's quite similar to masking fluid that you can find in the art departments, I knew that this would be great to use for craft projects also. The instructions say to apply this with a brush or a roller onto the surface that you wish to protect. Depending on how porous your surface is, you may need more than one coat. It must be fully cured or dried before it's effective as a protective film. This is the 1 quart size, and it comes tightly sealed with a vapor lock lid. Sometimes vapor lids can be a bit tricky to get off, but the instructions say to pry it off with a coin, so I just went around bit by bit and found it pretty easy to remove. The consistency is like yogurt, but it doesn't smell like yogurt. You can definitely smell the ammonia, which is what they use for the preservative. Even if you get masking fluid from the art department, they also have preservatives like ammonia and formaldehyde. Just keep good airflow in your craft room when you are using masking fluids. Keep your window open, use a fan, keep good airflow coming in. So I tested this on a piece of paper to see how long it would take to fully set. This sample took about 20 minutes. I did put this on quite thick. For smaller crafting projects, you most likely won't need to apply quite as thick, so it will be dry and cured much more quickly. The 1 quart size is quite large, so I would suggest to put some into a glass jar for easy access. The product will start to dry and set along the sides, so if you keep your jar stored upside down, that will help. For the first project, I'm going to try a floral design on some coffee-stained paper that I made. I'm applying this a bit on the thicker side because I'm going to be immersing this sheet into more coffee to see how the masking holds up. This masking fluid is tinted with a green pigment so you can easily see where you've painted, which is super helpful. I'm using just a regular brush to apply this, but I think if I were to use this on a regular basis, silicone brushes might work even better. Since this is water-based, it cleans up with soapy water as long as it hasn't cured or dried. I've tested out lots of masking fluids over the years that don't quite work as expected, but this one held up perfectly, as you can see. For the next test, I tried this on a porous surface, and this time I thinned it out with just a little bit of water. One thing about thinning masking fluids is that if you use too much water, it won't cure or set properly, and then will be pretty much impossible to get off. This dried very quickly, and it was fully dry in about 5 minutes. For the final test, I tried it on bright white watercolor paper. I wanted to see if it left any markings or staining on the paper. When I removed it, the paper didn't show any kind of staining at all. I spoke to a rep at Peel-Tek and asked them if this could be used on fine art, and they said that it is acid-free and can be used in fine art projects. I hope this gave you some good ideas on how to use this product for your crafting projects, and I'm sure you will come up with many more ways. One of our members will get to try a full-size sample when we draw for our craft box giveaway. Once this box is full of crafting supplies, we will be drawing a name from our member list. To become a member, visit our website and click the Become a Member link, and you will be entered. Till next time, take care.